I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the system to avoid injury. Shut off power and unplug the compressor. Then open the drain to bleed the tank until the gauge reads 0 psi. Once done, close the supply valve and open the regulator outlet to ensure no trapped downstream pressure remains. Make sure you have the correct tools and parts: wrenches, screwdrivers, replacement seals or diaphragms, and thread tape, so you can remove components cleanly without damaging fittings. You remove the regulator knob and housing carefully, noting spring orientation and taking a photo to ensure correct reassembly. Next, inspect the diaphragm, spring, valve seat, and internal filter screen for cracks, hardening, corrosion, or debris that cause leaks or pressure drift. Use compressed air and a soft brush to clean passages and fittings. If any component shows wear or deformation, replace it. Make sure mating surfaces are smooth and seals are properly seated so the regulator can hold set pressure reliably. You reassemble the regulator in the original order, confirming the spring and diaphragm orientation, and tighten fittings to spec while using thread tape on NPT threads. Once done, slowly restore pressure and set the regulator to a target value. Monitor gauge response and listen for leaks. Use soapy water on joints to find bubbles. If pressure hunts or won't hold, check spring preload and seating, replace the diaphragm, or inspect downstream piping for restrictions. Those issues commonly mimic regulator failure and are often the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.